I'm Piyush Sharma, year 15 CS276, and today I'm doing the third experiment of networking lab, which is IP addressing and subnetting. So, the first question is, here we are given with the IP address and we have to tell the default subnet mask, custom subnet mask, address class, total number of subnets, total number of host addresses, number of usable addresses, and number of borrowed bits. So, here we were given with the here we are given with the network address as 201.175.40.0. Then the basic the address class is C because it lies in the range of the class C. 1 to 127A, 128 to 191B, and after 191 C. So it is class C. Default subnet mask is this because it belongs to class C, and the default subnet mask for class C is 255.255.255.0/24. Custom is making the first 26 bits as 1 and calculating it. You'll get this value. The total number of subnets we have to make 4 subnets, and the total number of host addresses is 64. Number of usable is 2 raised to the number of host bits minus 2, and the number of borrowed bits is 2. So here you can see the first subnet is 200.175.14.0 subnetwork, and the first valid host address is 200.175.14.1 because you can't use this and the last, which is the broadcasting address. So the last valid address is 200.175.14.62 because the last one is for broadcasting and you cannot use that. The first and the last cannot be used. The same is done for the second question also. So here we are provided with the network address of 172.59.0.0. Now according to this question we have to classify the address class, which is B, default subnet mask, custom mask after the bits are borrowed, making 20 bits as 1, the first 20 bits is 1, and calculating the subnet mask. Then total number of subnets is 16, total number of host addresses is 2:12, and the number usable is 2:12 minus 2, which is the first address, subnetwork address, and this broadcasting address, and the number of bits borrowed is 4. That's why it became 1620 from 16 because borrowed 4, 16 plus 4, 20. Okay, cool. The same thing's done. Again, same thing's done. Number of needed usable hosts is 50. So you'll borrow 10 bits. Again, it belongs to class B. 172 belongs to class B. Default subnet mask is this. Custom subnet mask is after borrowing 10 bits, it becomes 26. Total number of subnets is 2:10. Total number of host addresses is 2:6. Minus 2 cannot be used. As I told you before, subnet address and broadcast address. Now in this question, calculate an addressing scheme for the given below topologies that meets the requirements shown in the figure. So as you can see, we have 4 networks, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Based on the requirements here, 24 hosts. Here the subnets are further defined into smaller networks. Based on the requirements here, 24 hosts are needed. Here 60 and here 15. So on the basis of that, we have done this. Similarly for this question also, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3. It's 5 networks. 2 is WAN and 3 LAN. WAN, LAN. Then for that, we are creating this, and further the IP address is given to us, which is defined further, which is subnetted further and further into smaller parts for meeting the requirements here. Because here it is given in Dallas, 150 host, Washington 220, and New York 325. So according to that, it is divided here, and as you can see, the subnet address is 135.126.0.0/24, and the first valid address is .1. Last is broadcast, and this is the last valid. Similarly, for Washington, New York, link on between routers and link to between the routers. Thank you.